But there's our girl's face.
Why do you come to me when you know I gotta go that way?
Midge! 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 Big goof! Hi guys! Today is Saturday and we had a beautiful day. We got to enjoy it with some very good friends, and now that the sun is setting, we did our chores, and I'm gonna go show you what we found in the barn. All right. Quick. So you met Martha's two little ones, and you met Esther's little girl. But our Twilight is now a mommy. Aren't you, honey? We have our first black boy. And this cutie patootie. I'm going to come in and see them up close. Whoa, girly! You fell out. Oh. But there's our girl's face. You are so gorgeous. Yes. And here's our boy. Mama did great. I knew Mama was going. I thought she would have gone earlier, but but we had 2 new babies on Thursday. Yes. 1 new baby yesterday and 2 new babies today. And we have 4 more ewes to go. So, and it's anybody's guess who's gonna go first. We have Ruth, Rachel, right here, Sweet Pea's back there, and we have Coco. So it's anybody's guess as to who's gonna go next. So tomorrow we'll be letting Martha out to be with everybody outside with her babies. So we'll have a stall open there. But we have other babies are napping. We're getting ready to nap. Addison is doing great. She's starting to put weight on her foot, which is good. I'm happy about that. She had a little bit of problem with with her hoof, the joint in her hoof. I think somebody stepped on her. So she was sore, so I had to, yes, I'm talking about you, precious. I had to wrap her foot. So if you see her hobbling around outside, that's why. I had to attach her up. So yeah, we had a good day today. Now I'm going to show you what the boys did, the guys and me. I should say not the boys. Show you the improvements on the outdoor chicken coop. I'm going to turn the light off here and I'll take you out there before it gets too dark to show you outside. All right. So I'll show you what we did with the chicken coop. I'm going to explain it a little bit. All right. So we reused some of the plywood from the machine shed that fell down. If you haven't checked out those videos, I'll link them up above. But there's a gap here. This is going to be chicken wire or hardware cloth because it's going to be ventilation for the chicken coop. And we got this side all done. Step back here. So we got this side done in the plywood. Got that side done. And I think we're leaving this side other than covering up that hole. But we're gonna leave this side. Ooh. And then on the front, we have to replace the plywood on either side of where the door goes and take that window out because it's already broken. And then what we're gonna do in here is on the inside, we're going to take paneling that we have and put it on the inside walls. And eventually we're going to be insulating this with wool from the sheep because mice don't like the wool. They don't like it at all, which is good. But yeah, this is gonna turn into the winter coop for our chickens because we're also building a chickshaw for them. We're building 2 chickshaws, one for the chickens and one for the ducks. And they're going to be going out on pasture. And the ducks will be going down by the pond once the pond thaws out. It's still not open yet, but it's getting there. But yes. We have lots of work to do. Never a dull moment. But it's turned out to be a very great day, guys. I'm so happy that Twilight finally had her babies. And even better, we have a black boy now. Shabbat shalom, guys. Hey guys, I am just catching up with my husband and my son in the barn. We're doing our afternoon check to see if anybody else has had any babies and to check on all the babies that are in the barn. And we have friends coming, so this is going to be a good day.
Why do you come to me when you know I gotta go that way?
Hey, babies. No. You guys are fine. Yes, you're fine. Hi, Callie.
You can take them out, put the harness on them, and take them for a walk, and then I'll break that crate down.
I don't think you need to break. All right. Let's check our mummies. There's our Nala. She's doing so good. Yay, Addison. So happy that you're doing stuff like that. Is that the right mummy? These lambs have been confused. Oh yeah, you guys got the right mummy. No. That's not the right mummy for you, miss. Sweet pea, don't even think about it. Hey, Midge. 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 Big goof. Oh. Hi, Ruthie. Hi. Sweet pea. Get out. Thank you. You keep all 4 feet on the ground. Hi, babies. Nala, be good. Good girl. Good girl. Just leave it. Addison, this way, Goofy. Good girl. Come on. Over here, baby girl. Come here, Addison. Hi. Hi, Twilight. Where's your babies? There we go. There they are. Such a good mummy. Yes, you need some more water. Okay, you haven't popped yet. Neither of you. All right. Where's my Rachel? Okay, I was gonna say that ain't yours. What? You sound like you guys are hungry for some reason. Really? Really? What's over there, honey? What's over there? don't see anything, Dolly. All right, it's okay, guys. It's just the water. It's just the water coming. It's all right. Hi, Addison. You're doing good. That thing can come off tomorrow. Uh-huh. We have. That's not yours, honey. Sorry. Confusion City. You two are cuties. Yes, you are. Okay. Hi, Addison. Hi, baby. No, not Jabama. Sorry. You might look like Titan, but you're no. What? Misty. You and Misty might look alike, but no. That's not gonna fly, sweetheart.